Hello, good afternoon. I'm now at the Capitol Hill, the political administration place in the United States. Right behind me is the Congress Congress building being in renovation. And on the right is the House of Representatives. On my left is the Senate. So now both parliamentary session according to my as well. And how do I know? Because the US flags are on post, so that's why we know that the parliament is in session. Well, I'm going to explore the place for a little while and then I'll get back to you guys later on. So take care, bye. Hi, good afternoon. After visiting the Capitol Hill just now, so behind me is right the official residence of the President of the United States of America. Currently it's President Obama, so you can see that it's a very small private White House, but this is full of security, and it's a very nice place full of flowers and trees. And right in front of the White House is actually the Lincoln Memorial Hall, so you can see me there. It's also a very widely visited place by tourists and by even the local people. So this is a place full of cultural activities. So I think for those people who are into history, culture, politics, will like this place very much. So very sunny day. So I'm enjoying myself here and I will catch up with you guys later on. Okay, see you. Bye. Hi guys, I'm now at this monument of former President Thomas Jefferson. Very spectacular building. He was actually the third US president. And right in front of him is actually the Lincoln Memorial Hall, which you can see just on the opposite side of the pond. And this pond is more like a small crater and surrounded by all the sakura cherry trees, and usually they will blossom in the month of April, which will be very spectacular, very nice. And from here, you know, if you climb up to the top of the monument, you can actually see the White House. They are all aligned, you know, straight off from this monument. So I think it's a very nice place to be at, and good for those people who are interested in US history. And I would recommend all of you to take some time to come here for a visit. So I can share with you guys later after my visit to the Lincoln Memorial Hall. Okay, ciao. Hi, good afternoon. Now it is raining outside. Half an hour ago it was still bright and shiny, but now it's still raining. So now I'm at Abraham Lincoln Monument. You can see right behind me most famous sitting position that my good friend is. And right now I think there are many tourists here, so they are taking photographs of this very historical monument. And if you were to follow me as the camera zoom, you can see outside, which is the standing monument, which I was talking to you earlier on, that is in line in a particular order to this memorial hall. And outside that monument is also used to represent, giving tribute to this very famous and well-popular president who fight for the slaves in those days. So now I'll be spending quite some time here because of the rain. So going around visiting the exhibits, and I hope I will learn a little bit more of this great president. So that's all, and update on me. I'll share with you guys later on. Bye. Hello, good afternoon. The rain has came and now it has stopped, so now the sun is out again. Right behind me, I'm now at this Korean War Memorial Hall, which is actually a memento that was set up, in commemorate of those US soldiers who fought in the Korean War between 1950 to 1953, in which the Korea Peninsula was split into the North and the South Korea. So this was a historical site, and it gave people a solemn feeling of those who perished and lost their lives fighting for the democracy, fighting for the rights, and fighting for freedom for the people. So whenever we came here, it actually struck a remembrance that we should always do not take this for granted, always preserve peace and harmony. Yeah, this site is actually very interesting. History, like the Korean War history, especially like myself, who read a lot about the war. So I'll be exploring this place and I'll tell you guys later shortly. Bye.